Hi, my name is Mike Ormerod. I'm one of the founders of Skylytics. We class ourselves as a continuous intelligence company. What do we mean by continuous intelligence? Basically, it's the combination of analytics, so be that prescriptive, descriptive, or predictive, along with data, as well as IoT, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Basically, we boil it down to the right data at the right time to make the right business decision. And at Skylytics, we help organizations work with the data they've got or to build basically new IoT-based applications to generate new data to make better business decisions. Why IoT? We see a lot of our clients looking to basically disrupt markets they're in. So I can think of one particular client we're working with right now. They're in the industrial manufacturing space, and typically their clients spend literally tens of thousands of dollars on specialist equipment to do line monitoring. Our client is basically looking to disrupt that market by taking commodity hardware, which costs a few $100s, combine that with a software platform, in this case, a Losant-based platform built by Skylytics, to then, in effect, do the same job. What that means for their end customer is that they now have the ability to actually put data points throughout their entire production line, right? So if you imagine that typically these things, as I said, cost tens of thousands of dollars, that used to limit the amount of equipment that you could monitor because it got too expensive. Now using commodity hardware, our client can have their end customers instrument every piece of hardware, which ultimately gives the end customer just way more visibility than what they had before. That ultimately then disrupts the market and allows our client to go in at cheaper with ultimately better insight for the end customer. From day one, we knew that we needed to be a partner-oriented organization. You've probably heard the term many times before that it takes a village to build an IoT solution, whether that's hardware, whether that's a platform, or whether that's ultimately infrastructure to then connect the two together. So we, from day one, knew we needed to partner, and we picked Losant as our platform of choice for building IoT solutions. Why Losant? Losant allows us to not only build a solution that's scalable, but also allows us to get it to market as quick as possible, which ultimately means that the end customer gets their time to value shortened and ultimately allows them to see their return on investment a lot quicker than taking the traditional route.